Oh man, I'm so happy to do this unboxing right now, y'all. Right here in this box, we might have the best sneaker to release all of 2023. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could please hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. All of that does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people, so I appreciate every single one of you guys that do that on all of my videos. And y'all already know we do some of the most fire sneaker unboxes on all of YouTube, and right here in this humongous box we have probably one of the most controversial sneakers of 2023. Some calling it the sneaker of the year, and some calling it the ugliest sneaker of the year. But luckily enough for me, I was able to hit on Cpfm's website on October 18th. I was able to grab these bad boys for the retail price of $220. Now with this pair, we did see a second pair release, a different colorway called the Green Spruce. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to hit that one, but this one was a good colorway. It's an all black colorway. You really can't go wrong with that. Let me put that receipt to the side, and here we have it. Wow, one of the biggest sneaker boxes I probably own. It's a beautiful box. We got the light blue branding right there. We have the Nike branding as well. Let's see, CPF branding right here, right by the size tag. And speaking of the size tag, another reason why this shoe is one of the most controversial shoes of 2023 is due to sizing. We got people saying it runs small. We got some people saying it runs true to size. And we got others saying that it runs humongous. Right here, I did go with my true size 11. Now the thing with this is that I wanted to make sure I was able to fit the shoe, because I didn't want to go too small and it wouldn't fit. So I was like, even if the shoe fits big, hey, I'm a sneakerhead. I wear a lot of different sizes, and I want to be able to make sure that I was able to wear it. I was okay with it fitting a little big. I just didn't want it to fit too small. And the name of the sneaker right here, we do have it on the box top right here, the Air Flea 2. Now Cpfm has teamed up with Nike on a couple other shoes, but now this one probably is the best one in my opinion. So without further ado, let's get right into the sneaker unboxing. Let's lift open the lid, and we have some white and blue tissue paper with the Nike branding right there. As we tear it back, ooh, I love when sneaker brandings give us little additives just like this. A sneaker dust bag. This is Nike Air Flea 2 Yin Yang logo, Nike branding right there. Just do it. The bag feels quality, feels really good, really thick, and the bag is huge. And I think this sneaker is going to take up the whole bag, because I've been seeing images and a lot of people talk about it, saying that this sneaker is huge. So right here, let's get the box up so you guys can get the first look as well as mine, and you can get my reaction. I'm super excited about this, guys. I've been waiting for this shoe for about 2 weeks now, and I can't wait to see it, and I can't wait to put it on feet and see how it looks. Ooh, okay, okay. Holy shit. This sneaker is huge, and I don't mean like the fit wise, I just mean like the outsole. So right now what I'm seeing is that this is a big fat tire rubber looking material as the outsole. Now the shoe isn't that big, so like it looks like it might be looks like a size 14 or 15, but that isn't actually the shoe. The shoe is right in between here where the actual mesh material is. This is just extra padding, extra thick rubber on the outsole, and this Nike swoosh is crazy. So this is like a leather suede-ish nubuck. I don't even know what type of material this is, because it's not like a pure leather and it's not like a pure suede, but it is fire. Ooh, okay, let me see the other shoe. And I did think, okay, so here goes. Here are some of the additives right here. We have some, I guess I'm going to just call them giblets. That's because what Crocs call it. We have some Nike branding. We have some spiders for Halloween, I'm guessing. And then we have the Yin Yang logo. That is fire. Can't wait to customize this sneaker. We got the Nike CPF branding tag right here. And this Nike swoosh. It is huge. This sneaker is humongous. Look at it compared to my head. This is fire. Look at this. I'm looking at the outsole. So the outsole has like a imprint of a foot. That's kind of fire. Materials on here feel amazing. This sneaker looks fire. I can't wait to see this shoe on foot, and I can't wait to get to the sizing portion, because like I said, a lot of people have been saying that this shoe runs big, and some have been saying it runs true to size. So I'm here to debunk that mystery. Does this shoe fit true to size, or is it a huge sneaker? So let's check out this rubber outsole for the Air Flea 2. Like I said, this is a huge rubber outsole, and we do have this milky translucent outlining for the toes and the rest of your foot right here. And in filming this, I found out that this outsole, not the complete outsole, but where the outlining for your toes and the feet are, is a glow in the dark outsole. So let me show you guys that right now. So as you guys can see right here, we do have a slight glow. I bet you if I let it sit in the light for a little bit, it will glow a lot brighter. But here we have it, a light glow for the foot outlining right here on the bottom of the Air Flea 2. But before we get into the sizing, let me put this box away. Let me get a sneaker whiff. Ooh, there's not a more beautiful smell than that first sneaker whiff. I love that smell of brand new sneakers. So before we get into the sizing, let's go over some of the materials. As you can see, the majority of the outsole, the entirety of the outsole is a rubber, kind of resembling a bike tire, a car tire, I don't know. It's a huge rubber outsole. And then for the materials on the actual shoe itself, or should I say the boot material, it's more like a canvas material, not suede. Good material, feels thick, feels cushiony. I'm feeling the heel portion. Feels really good. Insole looks cool. Let me see if I can pull the insole out for you guys, because I want to show you guys that. So this insole is like glued down. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it out, but let me see if I can show you guys. Move this out of the way. It's kind of like a thermal mapping. We have one on the right hand side, and it says R for that one. And then this one on the left hand side obviously has L for left. So more branding, we have the Just Do It right here with the Flea 2 logo. We have more Flea 2 logo on this pull tab and the Air tab as well. Now for this Nike swoosh, let me see. Okay, so it comes off pretty easily. And there's a designated area, I think, because the holes line up right here. Let me see how. Okay, so the holes line up right there. So you can snap it in. You can change it up just a little bit by connecting it to some other holes. Let me see, does it connect to this one? Yeah, so it connects to all the holes, so you can throw it on like this. I don't know who would want to rock it like this. Maybe if you connect it right there. Okay, so a little bit of swagger to it, a little bit of style, you can add it. And I know a lot of people are going to be throwing it on upside down, reverse. They're going to put this swoosh on this one. Let me see, let me take this swoosh off of this one, give it a little bit of a Travis vibe. Where is the holes? Right there. So there you have it. I was able to give it a little Travis effect by doing the reverse swoosh on it. Let me know how y'all are feeling about the reverse swoosh. Would you rather have it this way, or would you have it the standard normal Nike swoosh way? Now other than that, I took off the Nike swoosh, and now we do have two huge Velcro straps in here to make sure we lock down your feet. I don't know, maybe some endurance running. We gotta make sure we tie down the little piggies right here and make sure the shoe is nice and cozy. But this shoe is amazing. I'm really liking this shoe. Let's see the sizing. I'm going to throw this shoe on feet, and let's check out to see if the sizing is big, true to size, and let's dispel some of these rumors. So here we have it to dispel the rumor. Does this shoe fit true to size? Is this shoe fitting 2 sizes too big, 1 size too big, half size too big? Here's the official on feet review for the size testing to make sure you guys know what size to go with if you guys are looking to add this sneaker to your collection. Right here, I'm putting my left foot in. Like I said, I went with a size 11. I am a true size 11, and I don't know what people are talking about that this shoe fits big. I don't know, maybe I have a fat foot, but at most, it fits a half size big. If not, this is my true size 11. I'm actually feeling my toe right here at the end. Yes, I might have a little bit more room if I have a skinnier foot, but for fat feet gang out there like myself, let me throw the little swoosh on there for you guys so you guys get the full effect of the Cpfm Air Flea 2. And this is true to size. Let me throw the other shoe, because I am keeping the shoe. This is my personal pair. This is not for the resale. I love this sneaker. I love the look of it. I know this is going to be a statement piece. Everybody's going to be looking at my feet. And like my old Instagram was, neckbreaker94. I love to see people look at my feet. So let me throw the other shoe on just to give it a full test. Some people are going to be like, oh, you didn't put both shoes on. Well, here we go. I'm putting both sneakers on right now. And yes, fat feet gang out there, if you are a size 11, you have to go with a size 11. You might be able to get away with a size 10.5, like Air Forces. These do run maybe a half size big, but being 1.5 sizes, 2 whole sizes bigger, no way. Early bird gang, I don't know what pairs y'all got, but these fit true to size. Like I said, at most a half size. You might have to go down, but I would definitely recommend going true to size on the Cpfm Air Flea 2s.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
So I just wanted to hop back in here and give you guys a little update on the sizing of the Cpfm Nike Air Flea 2s. So in the previous clip, you guys saw me saying that the shoe was true to size, maybe a half size bigger, but after wearing it the next day for about 2.5 hours, I definitely think the shoe fits a half size big, maybe even a full size bigger. And the reason why I think that is because it is only a Velcro strap holding your foot down. There's no laces to the shoe, so I think as you wear them, the Velcro straps loosen up and your foot moves around just a bit. And I found my foot coming up and out of the shoe a couple times. So if you are looking to pick up this shoe, you might want to go down at least a half a size, maybe even a full size, depending on the shape of your foot. If you have a skinny foot, I definitely recommend going down a full size. And if you're part of Fat Foot Gang like myself, a half size is just enough, and if not, you guys could go your full true to size. Well, I'm happy I was able to clear up the sizing for you guys, so if you guys are looking to pick up this pair, you guys now know your correct size. And if you guys were looking to pick up this pair or the green spruce colorway on StockX and GOAT, both of these pairs go for anywhere between $400 to $450 depending on your size. So I was thinking, let's call some people, some of my friends and family, and let's get their reaction to the Cpfm Air Flea 2. First up, gotta be the mom. I want to get your reaction to the sneaker, okay? You ready to see it?
Okay. What? No, don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, I don't.
All right, listen, you're on camera. I know you love the camera, so listen. What do you got? What do you think of this shoe right here?
What the hell is that? That looks like a freaking snowshoe.
No, you don't like it? That's a no for my mom and a no for my dad. Okay. Listen, I thought I was about to get ghosted again. You are on camera, not your face, but your audio is on camera right now. I want to get your reaction to this sneaker. Okay, you ready?
All right. What the hell is that, bro?
The Nike Cpfm Air Flea 2.
Turn it around.
Like, how do you want me to show it to you?
Let me see that insole. No, that shit kind of hard, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you.
What you think about this sneaker right here?
I fuck with it.
You like it? You rock?
Yeah.
You rocking it? Is it clean or what?
Oh, no, that shit is clean. I would rock that shit.
I wanted to get your opinion on the sneaker. What you think? You rocking this shoe or what? Is it ugly, clean, fresh, or what? Let me know.
You want me to be brutally honest?
Yeah, brutally honest. Let the people know you're on camera. They know. They want to hear what you think.
Is that Nike?
Yeah, this is Nike. Yes, sir.
One of the ugliest things I've ever seen.
So the vote is in, guys. We got 3-2. It's an ugly sneaker. But listen, I don't care what other people think. I think this shoe is fire. I'm rocking this sneaker. I think this is one of the best sneakers to come out all of 2023. That's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys smash that like button. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check your boy out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. Come through and show some love. And if you guys are looking to join up on a free Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through as we continue to grow the community over there. And in the comment section down below, I would love to get y'all's opinions on this sneaker. Is this the worst sneaker of 2023 or the best sneaker of 2023? And if y'all did hit this shoe for retail, let me know what you guys are doing with it. Are you guys keeping it for the toe, or are you guys throwing this shoe on StockX immediately? And like I've been saying the whole video, I think this shoe is fire. I love new models, and I love that Nike's teaming up with Cpfm to drop us this beautiful sneaker, and that is why I think this will be one of the best sneakers of 2023. It's been your boy Tim. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.